Type 2 diabetes affects millions of people around the world. Halki Diabetes Remedy is one of the few natural treatments that work on the basis that the condition can be reversed. Unfortunately, many patients don't know anything about the reversing. They don't know about the natural alternatives. They end up utilizing countless products, most of which don't deliver results. But the truth is that they are not sufficient and affordable, as it's the case with the Halki Diabetes Remedy. Before you go ahead and understand what this natural remedy is all about and how it works, there is something you should know: the levels of your blood sugar. What levels are considered safe? The truth is that even most of the people suffering from the condition don't even understand anything about the levels. Often, your doctor may tell you as a healthy level. But that's not always the case, because the high blood sugar may be damaging the blood vessels over your body. It's for this reason that you need to keep track of the average blood sugar to A1C levels. You could have your doctor perform the test if he or she had not. If you are reading this piece, the high chances are that you have come across the hype going around regarding this natural remedy. Probably, you have type 2 diabetes, or you have someone close to you with the condition. The situation must have left you questioning, what is this remedy? Well, the truth is that this remedy works perfectly as a solution to type 2 diabetes. The creators of the program firmly believe that toxins are what lead to type 2 diabetes. The sad bit is that the said toxins are almost everywhere, from the air, food, and even cooking utensils. Therefore, the Halki Diabetes Remedy focuses on reducing the toxins to help repair and reverse your body. With the program, you don't need any magical pills. It's only a matter of specific ingredients to help with the eliminating of your diabetes. It's that simple. The remedy is scientifically proven and helps reverse type 2 diabetes by increasing insulin protection. It curbs the blood sugar levels with the aid of various methods such as the berries, seeds, jujubes, oranges, laurel leaves, kohlrabi, and other natural ingredients. The basis of Halki Diabetes Remedy. Often, many platforms and health practitioners insist that diabetes is caused by overeating carbs than accepted. Well, too many carbs can cause trouble, but it's not the only cause of diabetes. Eric and his partner, Amanda, have proven otherwise using their Halki Diabetes Remedy. According to their research, the duo suggests that certain environmental toxins could be the leading cause of type 2 diabetes. As a result, their natural remedy works based on eliminating the toxins in the body and even the air around. This toxin is linked to insulin resistance. Not long ago, an article was published in Diabetes Care, a medical journal, and suggested increases as the prevalence of diabetes increases. Various studies have also stated that pollution plays a significant role when it comes to accelerating the disease. The basic of this Halki Diabetes Remedy is to practice a 1-minute habit 2 times daily. The trick was a well-kept secret by the people of Halki Island until Amanda unleashed it to the world. What the people of Halki Island didn't know is that the 1-minute habit helps reduce. Also, the practice helps repair the damages that may have resulted from the toxin. Benefits of Halki Diabetes Remedy. All-natural remedy. Recently, doctors suggest various ways aimed at controlling diabetes. The sad part is that most of the available solutions involve injections and drugs. The insulin injections, especially, can be a pain in the neck, not forgetting how painful they can become. When it comes to this remedy by Amanda and Eric, you don't need any injections or drugs to overcome the condition. The treatment utilizes the power of a proper diet and the famous salad dressing. All the ingredients featured in this remedy can easily be found in your local grocery and are rich in nutrients needed to clear off the toxins in your body. Is a 21 days program. Currently, type 2 diabetes affects millions of individuals around the world. One of the scary symptoms of the condition is high blood sugar. In the past, remedies have been initiated to help lower the blood sugars. Unfortunately, most hacks never seem to bear results, or they take longer than expected. Thanks to Halki Diabetes Remedy, today, you can stabilize your crazy blood sugar in less than 21 days. The program contains procedures and diet plans that can help normalize the sugar levels, leaving you healthy and energetic than you never believed. Solves the problem from the root. Now and then, you will come across treatments aimed at dealing with diabetes head-on. Unfortunately, most of them tend to counterattack the effects of the condition that's already there. Say, for instance, you will come across insulin injections or even drugs that help lower the blood sugars. For Eric and his partner, Amanda, diabetes is a condition that should be addressed from the root. It's for this reason that the program includes the salad dressing recipes, which help detoxify the body. Not long ago, a study showed a toxin that causes diabetes. Therefore, the best way to deal with this toxin is by flushing it out of the affected patient. The diets found in the guide can help with the flushing and stuff. Besides, the ingredients present in the guide help with repairing the parts of the body affected by the toxins after the flushing. By following the guide, you will be left with a healthy and robust body,